Hello everyone. So let's revise SQL structure query language with me. This topic is very much important in data analysis field and in every field in the software engineering line. The first question is calculate the second highest salary from the table EMP. So basically there is a table. We need to find the second highest salary from the table. So for that we are going to use some function which is important to calculate second highest salary. So first of all we are going to notice in this table which is the highest. Here in this example the highest salary is 90,000. So for that what we can write is, for highest salary we are going to write select max salary from the table employee. We are going to name the table employee. So what output this query is going to generate is 90,000. But we want the second highest salary from this table. So what we need to do, we need to avoid the first, that means the most highest salary from the table. So what we can do, we can just select the salary which is less than the maximum salary present in the table. So after deducting the most highest salary tuple from the table, we are going to get the second highest salary if we are going to choose the maximum salary query from the table. So for that what we can write, select max. This is the function max. In the max function we are going to put the salary column that is filled from EMP, where salary should be less than the maximum salary which is present in the table. That is, select max salary from employee. Okay, so basically this query will going to generate the second highest salary present in this table or any table. So let's see the current example of this query. First of all we are going to see, select the max salary from the employee. The inner query will going to run first. So what output this query is going to generate is 90,000. Okay, so now read the query. Select maximum salary from the EMP where salary is less than 90,000. So after deducting this tuple, the remaining table will get the highest salary as 70,000. So after neglecting this query, that means less than 90,000, what output we are going to have in this particular query is 70,000. So in this manner we are going to get second highest salary present in the table. So this question is going to check your logic and not your memory. That's why it is very much important in data analysis or any field in the software engineering.